Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this inexpensive, trendy yarn macrame wall decor. If you like this DIY, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIYs. For this project, you will need a dowel rod. Mine measures 13 inches, 4 different colors of medium width yarn, and scissors. Start by measuring the length of the yarn. Whatever length you want the yarn to hang, you will need to double that number. So I want my longest piece of yarn to hang 30 inches from the rod, so I will cut all of my pieces 60 inches long. Cut 20 pieces of each color of yarn. With 20 pieces together, fold in half to create a loop. Place the loop under the dowel rod, then pull the tail of your grouped yarn through the loop to create a knot. This is called a lark's head knot. Continue tying each set of 20 to the dowel rod. As you will see, I use a symmetrical color pattern, placing white yarn on the outside, then moving inward, cream, pink, gray, and then lastly cream in the middle. To add dimension to the yarn, I braided some colors. On the middle color, I picked up 9 strands from the top and separated them into 3 pieces equally for braiding. Braid by taking the outside strands over the middle strands. Continue the braid until about 6 inches from the bottom, then tie in a knot. I cut 3 pieces of cream colored yarn, then tied it around the end of the dowel on each side. I brought each side together at the top with a knot. This will allow us to hang the piece. Trim the bottom of your piece into an attractive shape. I'm cutting mine at an angle so it looks like a V shape. I trim the ends of my braids straight across to finish the look. Thanks so much for following along. If you recreate this DIY, send me a photo using the hashtag ArtsyPaints.